So I know it may look like we're hoarders, but we're not. We just have a lot of stuff. Today's video though. We're putting new seats in the RS. Alright, so here we got the Braum Pro Elites. No, honestly, I have no idea what they're called. I really don't know the model number of these seats. We bought them a long time ago, but these are some Braums. They're like a leather synthetic. They have red stitching. This driver's side seat has a little bit of damage on the bottom from being in the garage and being stored, so that's kind of a bummer, but we still want to use them in something, and we're going to put them in the RS. Excited?
Kinda, but kinda bummed. These are the most comfortable seats ever.
You know, I will say though, for what, 22-year-old seats, these things are in great condition. They have like minimal tearing. They're just dirty, but great seats. So I would Did you hear that?
Just interrupted you.
I would definitely take your time to vacuum out your car when your seats are out, because it's way easier. Way easier. On a side note, I want to find a way to mount a fire extinguisher in here, and I found a pretty good way, I think. So if you look here, we have the bracket for the fire extinguisher. I just bored this hole out on this one side, so check this out. Alright, now watch. It's so good. Oh, could've been. I'm trying, guys. Fire extinguisher. So we got some cheap $100 steel seat brackets. Let's see what they look like. These aren't too bad so far. hopefully they fit. The only really problem with them too is they're heavy, and I don't know if the holes are gonna line up. We'll figure it out. Are you scared? Pretty scared.
Sorry, what did you say?
It's the moment of truth. I'm scared. Okay.
We'll get through it.
Ooh. Alright, honestly that's not that bad. Fits pretty good. Alright, so we got the seat for the passenger side set in the car. We got it in the position I think that we want, so I'm going to go ahead and mark where those holes and rails sit on the bracket, and then we'll pull it all out, lay it on there, and mount it.
Even though they're cheap Amazon brackets, they still fit really well.
Last step to this process is going to be switching over our seat belt. I think it's a seat belt. Gotta make her look the part. Could legit take a nap in here. So I think that's going to wrap it up. Everything went pretty smoothly. The brackets worked well with the seats, and we got them installed. They also have sliders, so that's really cool. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. They feel great. They drive really nice. It lines you up really well with the clutch, so I don't know if there's much more to say other than that. The seats were definitely a success, and I think they look really good in here. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.